Today we are making whitening cream without any side effects. First, take any moisturizer or the cream you use at nighttime. You can also call it night cream. Now take that moisturizer or cream at any separate mixing bowl. This is saffron. You can call it Kaiser. It has whitening effects. Add saffron in mixing bowl. If the paste is thick, use little soothing lotion. Add 1 or 2 drops. If the paste is more thick, then add 3 or 4, as required. Don't add too much. Be careful. Now mix the whole mixture of saffron and moisturizer. After mixing, leave it for some time. Final cream is ready. Now, I will make this whitening cream by the night cream. Take any whitening cream. You can use twice a week or when your skin feels dull. Take this on separate mixing bowl. Repeat the same procedure we had done before while making the whitening cream by moisturizer. The color of night cream will be less yellow than moisturizer one. Thanks for watching.